Who's Laila? So Laila is a mom, an entrepreneur, a positive impactor wannabe, and speaker, facilitator, and somebody who loves people. So my passion is seeing passion grow in other people. My passion is to impact people so that they can go into the world and positively impact other people. I think it was a trial and error thing. I mean, I think it happened, when I was on stage, or I did different kinds of workshops, or I built small communities and saw the influence that had on people. I mean, I'm a true believer in sense of belonging. We all need to belong to something. And I think I was kind of an outsider, and I realized I could build communities, and then other people didn't feel like outsiders. They also felt that they belonged somewhere. And I think, trying that out and seeing that work, that was really, it's like dopamine, right? It hits you in the brain when you realize that something that you do impacts other people, and then it just moves forward. It's a paying forward sort of movement. Right. So what makes me happy about their Humanizing and the other projects that we run? So what really makes me happy is seeing the transformation in people. I mean, seeing people realize their full potential is the most rewarding thing. Nobody can pay you enough, to match that. I mean, it's never about money. It's always about the individual transformation and the impact that they can have in the world. I mean, seeing some of the people that we have trained or worked with impacting the world positively is just, that's my true passion. I mean, that's what it's all about. What's my biggest skill? It's really interesting that we live in this world of technology, right? Of exponential technology. And the more technological our world becomes, the more human it needs to become, right? We need people to understand how we can use this technology to actually positively influence people, right? So I think the the muscle that I use the most is a human muscle. It's about creating relationships, partnerships, use partnerships to open new doors, meet new people like yourselves. I mean, it's all about, it's actually a lot about relationships and people. I think that's what it's about. Weird people inspire me. I love to talk to people that just have a totally different view of the world. They know an amazing technology, or they're super nerds in a special field. I love that because that grows me as an individual. Right. So the advice that I would give to other people would always be, it's never either or, it's always both and, right? So you have to, somebody said, is it purpose or profit? I mean, it's not purpose or profit, it's purpose and profit, because profit would make it possible for you to have more purpose, to impact more, right? So it's not work or play, it's work and play, or work is play. It's never either or, it's always both and. And then I think surround yourself with people that are different from yourself. I mean, the professional playground that I run has these amazing diversity, and that's what really sparks my interest every day. I learn new stuff, and there's a PhD in mathematics, I have no clue. There's another genius in another field. I mean, surround yourself with people that are different from yourself, because they're the ones that are really your true advisory board and your network of authority.